Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today, Unitree gets the official regulatory green light for its blockbuster STAR Market IPO. General Motors swaps 1,000 Detroit workers for 50 robots, and the UAW is furious. And Beijing opens what officials are calling the world's first school built specifically to train humanoid robots. First story. China's securities regulator, the CSRC, has formally approved Unitree Robotics to list on Shanghai's tech-focused STAR Market. This is the biggest robotics IPO of 2026, moving from rumour to regulatory fact. Unitree is the company behind those viral quadruped robot dogs and the humanoid G1 platform that flips, kicks and skates on command. The STAR Market is Beijing's answer to NASDAQ. Built for high-growth technology companies that aren't yet profitable, and Unitree fits it perfectly. A major backer, Shoucheng Holdings, is publicly calling this its value realisation phase. Meanwhile, the E Fund Robotics ETF just pulled in over 7 billion yuan of net inflows in 2 trading days. So hot money is already staged for the debut. The geopolitical wrinkle, American lawmakers keep pushing to restrict Chinese robotics companies, and a higher public profile is only going to intensify that scrutiny. Watch this one land on public markets. Story 2. General Motors laid off more than 1,000 workers at its Detroit assembly plant and replaced them with about 50 robots. That is 20 jobs displaced for every single machine deployed, and the United Auto Workers has come out swinging. GM management framed the automation push as a fight for humanity, a rhetorical choice that has not landed well on the factory floor. The math is brutal but familiar. A 6-axis welding or stamping arm runs 3 shifts without overtime, never calls in sick, and can pay back its integration cost in a few years. Stellantis, Ford, and Toyota are all racing similar playbooks under pressure from heavily automated Chinese EV factories. The tradespeople losing their jobs are skilled welders and body panel specialists. And the political blowback is arriving right in the middle of a national debate about reshoring and manufacturing jobs. The economics is why this keeps happening. The politics is why it keeps being a fight. Story 3. Beijing has opened what officials are calling the world's first dedicated school for humanoid robots. This is not a marketing metaphor. It is a controlled, real-world facility where humanoids run structured, repeatable curricula on grasping, walking, navigating unpredictable rooms, and responding to human instructions. The bet is that simulation alone cannot cover every real-world edge case. So China is building physical training grounds where robots log actual embodied hours under supervision. It slots into China's 15th 5-year plan, which names humanoid robotics a strategic priority alongside AI chips. And it lands in the same week American startup Lightwheel raised $145 million for simulation and synthetic data infrastructure. 2 different bets on the same insight. The moat in humanoid robotics is not the hardware anymore, it is the training pipeline. Whichever country masters that pipeline gets a durable edge in the robots as workers decade ahead. That is your RoboBrief for July 5th. Unitree headed for public markets, GM and the UAW colliding over the automation curve, and China building schools for robots. If any of that mattered to you, hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for the full daily briefing. See you tomorrow.